from Robben Islands was dumped kwalana.
Uthi waba nohlubi unkosi?
Amahlubi, inkosi oHadebe, omthimkhulu.
ORadebe?
Amahlubi, yes. Ulanga libalele, wabu 1873 when they took him there.
1873?
Yes.
And you're saying he was the first prisoner in Robben Island?
Not the first,
one of
but
the first.
one of them. Yeah, Amakosi, most of Amakosi, when the whites landed here, they took a lot of kings into Robben Island for imprisonment, including Amakoi and the San people. That was the perfection of apartheid. Apartheid was perfected in the mining sector.
By the British, or not
By
even the
them,
British, by settlers, wherever they came from in Europe.
Every player who participated in the South African mining process,
Sure.
they perfected. Apartheid isuka lapho where they say natives must not participate. It didn't end in Kimberley. Then it came to PWV, Pretoria, Witwatersrand, and Vereeniging. The entire mining industry started to envy blacks participating.